Hi, I'm Miss Hearn. Let's get started.
Sick. Okay, so that's part A. How would you expect, in part B, we're going to find the same thing. We're going to find dy dt, but we're going to find it when x is pi over 4. And what do we expect, how do we expect the rate to compare? Steeper in the negative direction, that's right. So it's falling, it's going in the negative direction, and it's going faster in that direction. What values do we get in part B? We are still using the formula dy dt equals negative sine x dx dt. For part B, we're looking for dy dt, and I'm making a point of writing these variables out because when the problems get more complicated and you have to come up with your own formulas, it's a good idea to write out which variables you're looking for and what you have. So so we're looking for dy dt, and we have x equals pi over 4, and we have dx dt equals 4. And so we're going to have dy dt is equal to negative sine pi over 4 times 4. What's the sine of pi over 4? Root 2 over 2. Good. Root 2 over 2 times 4 gives us what? Negative 2 root 2. By the way, negative 2 root 2 is approximately negative 2.8. So we found that at pi over 6, remember, dy dt turned out to be negative 2. And now we just found that at pi over 4, it turned out to be negative 2.8, which is what we expected, right? Because we're covering more distance here. We expected to see that the speed at which the y is changing would be increasing, quote, increasing in the negative direction, speeding up. Okay, a bigger negative velocity. All right, and then pi over 3, same thing. We are looking for dy dt. We have x equals pi over 3, and we have dx dt equals 4. So we get dy dt equals negative sine of pi over 3 times 4. What's the sine of pi over 3? Root 3 over 2. Good. So that means that dy dt is equal to negative 2 root 3, which, by the way, is approximately negative 3.5. The speed is calculated in centimeters per second. Okay, so what are we saying? Our vertical change is at a speed of 3.5 centimeters for each second at that moment. So faster than it was at pi over 4. So here we have dy dt, negative 3.5 centimeters per second. Everybody okay with that?
I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please remember to like it.